Hey there folks, it's Yaken here from Trend Ground. Alright, so we have an interesting product for the OnePlus 11, which is this Aramid Fiber Bumper Case Black from OnePlus themselves. This is an official accessory. Okay, we are going to unbox and give my first impression on this bumper case. So we are going to check it out right now. Alright, so here it is. The case. So why you should be getting this Aramid Fiber Bumper Case is because it gives premium protection. Okay, it's durable fit and unique design according to OnePlus. We are going to check it out. Okay, so first thing, there is a seal over here. Okay, all you need to do is just pull it out and then boom, you get to the casing itself. It's a unique case indeed. Look at that. E-view tag. Alright, cool. It has a very matte surface and a very rubbery texture, which I think is going to suit a lot of people who love that rubbery matte texture over here. Build quality wise, yeah, it's pretty good. All right, okay, so I'm going to attach the case onto my phone right now. All right, so now I'm going to put the casing onto the OnePlus 11. So if you have this OnePlus 11 in the Eternal Green, yeah, I highly recommend you to get this case because this guy is really fingerprint magnet. Okay, installation I think is pretty much straightforward. All you need to do is just slide it in. Okay, slide the top part first, and then all you need to do is just press it down, and then you're done. You have protected your lovely device right now. Yeah. So how's the case using on the OnePlus 11? Okay, buttons still feels clicky. Volume rocker not a problem. You can access it very easily. Okay, what about the alert slider? Maybe you need a little bit of fingernail to push it up a little bit with this new case. Yeah. And what about the camera bump right now? Well, looks a little bit more protected. Okay. Yeah, definitely you can see the bumper case is protecting the camera bump a little bit. Okay. But definitely if there's a direct impact onto it, it's not going to be protecting it. Yeah, so something you should be take note of it. Overall, I think this is a great case to get if you are looking one for protecting your OnePlus 11. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I think you should go and grab one. Okay, price and details where to buy is in the description. Okay, so make sure to go and check it out. And I'm Yaken here. I'm gonna sign off. Hopefully you guys love this kind of content whereby I just do not review phones only but accessories as well. Okay, if you love this and you're still new to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe it, share it out, drop some comment, like the video, hit the notification bell, follow us on social media, do all those things because it will help us to get more products to review. Okay, and also going to other events for you guys to check out as well. All right, I'm Yaken. I'm gonna sign off. I'll see you guys on the next content.